Crime scene investigation is something that is very important to your cases because it can determine whether you are the person who ends up charged with a crime, or for that matter, you're the person who has to do the time. In New Jersey, the prosecutor's offices and the U.S. Attorney's Office have a great deal of power and the ability to collect information and evidence against you.
CSI, it's a two-way street. It's not just a tool to be used for police and law enforcement investigators. CSI investigative tools are equally available to us, and at our firm, we use them in New Jersey with a great amount of success. We use forensic pathologists, crime scene investigators, investigators that are expert in blood spatter, DNA analysis, body fluids, hair, fiber from clothing, from carpets, from blood stains on walls. And I have personally gone to crime scenes with our investigators to watch them conduct their experiments, to be a part of it, because I need to fully understand how it went down.
Criminal cases in New Jersey are very different now than they were 20 or 30 years ago. And that's because the New Jersey state officials have the ability to collect evidence and analyze it in new scientific ways. We have the experience and expertise to rebut or change that analysis by use of our own experts, who we consult with frequently and to your benefit in order to show that you are not legally responsible for your crime or that you should be excluded from among those who are being considered as suspects.
Crime scene technology is viewed by the public and by the prosecutor as being very reliable. It's very impressive, and if you're not going to do battle on the same level, you're not going to be able to win, because the prosecutor will run away with a prosecution based on all their high-tech stuff, on all their high-tech presentation, and all their high-tech evidence, and you're going to be left there with very little to say. We had a case where a parent was accused of starving their 12-month-old child to death. We were able to show that this child was in fact fed, but that there was an obstruction in his gastrointestinal tract that prevented him from assimilating nutrients. And we were able to show through a very detailed pathological analysis of his autopsy results that in fact this child was fed, and it made a tremendous amount of difference to that client.